Hello from another island in the Stockholm archipelago. I am today at Svartsö and have found this beautiful beach here that has a bit of sandy parts as well as this jetty over here. It is only 200 or 300 meters away from the boat stop called Alsvik, and it's one of the several stops that are on this rather big island in the Stockholm archipelago. To get here, the easiest way is to take the bus from Slussen to Böda Brygga, which is the last stop on that bus line, and then from there it is only 25 minutes ride, and it is stopping through different islands, including Värmdö, that I might visit on the way back. It is only 16 degrees Celsius, so let the not sun fool you. And there is the Svartsö Krog. Let's explore a bit on that side, because I see that the beach is a bit bigger on that end. The water looks so clean and so nice because it is almost autumn and it tends to be super clear, as it was yesterday when I was in Grinda. So on this island there is also a store, Handlarn, that I have shown you before. Oh, we have here also a beautiful beach, but that over there is more of a boat jetty, so I would definitely use that one to get in, despite being very shallow also in the beginning. Today is 15th of September, 11:20 a.m. right now, and I'm gonna go in for the swim here. I saw another beach on the other side of the boat stop, so let's see if I have time to visit that, as I will be only 1 hour on this island, Svartsö, and there is a lot to explore here. I was also confused because there were some bicycles at the boat stop that were not locked, and I guess they can be used by the people here. But yeah, that's very interesting indeed. So you can see the water is so clean and nice, and I'm really curious how warm it is in the water as well, so let's check it out together while I show you more of this beautiful spot here at Svartsö. It means the Black Island, so I'm not really sure why is it called that, but it's gonna be definitely cool to take a swim on another island in the Stockholm archipelago, because now it's low season and the trips with the boats in the archipelago are free if you have a monthly card with the public transport operator SL. So it's definitely a good deal, I would say, even though it's not the best weather. And okay, let's see, yesterday it was 17. Here it is also 17, because it's not so far away from Grinda where I took a swim yesterday. So steady, solid 17 degrees, which makes it perfect. Just look at how beautiful it is. I think if you can live on an island and then being able to swim on the open sea all year long. I'm not sure if here the water gets frozen, so maybe yes. But yeah, anyway, so as I mentioned, Alsvik boat stop, it's only 200 to 300 meters away, and this is located at Svartsö Krog, which is the restaurant. I think one of the restaurants says on this island there might be few. So sun is back, and let's then hit the waters and take a swim, because this is Beach Adventures with Kris, and I'm swimming in different beach locations. This is my very first time on this island, despite living in Stockholm for 10.5 years now. So I'm really looking forward to taking a swim here in the Stockholm archipelago at this nice beach, and it's also very nice entry into the water here as well. Cool, so Svartsö, Alsvik, this part over here, and we are ready to take a swim. Oh my god, it is amazing. Not as cold as I thought it would be. Definitely bearable. And this is my view now as I swim in one of the many islands in the Stockholm archipelago. And just to mention again the fact that Sweden is the country in the world with most islands. Now I forget the number, but over 260,000 something. I need to double check the number, but it's the most in the world. And this is one of them, Svartsö. So let's see if I can explore one more beach on this island or check out the next one here in the archipelago. But I'm so happy that the sun is up despite the forecast says clouds. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Svartsö in Alsvik, and I'm gonna definitely see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.